Time to go home. This is the song, the goodbye song. Till later. I got to go with the one that's ready to go right now. Can't wait for the one that brought me down. 'Cause my feet are saying, take off those shoes right now, lady. And my legs are saying, sit down. You've had enough exercise today. Yeah. I'm with my grandson who carried my stuff to the car. Almost, he carried me spiritually. My grandson, yes sir, he got his portion of the ribs, and I got mine too. We waited long enough. That's right. We waited long enough for people to give us the ribs, and we respectfully waited long enough. Yeah. And we're gonna enjoy those ribs. I put some extra barbecue sauce on mine. Yes, I did. Yeah. The watermelon was good too. It did? Pick it up when you get home, rinse it. You rinse it off and put it in the oven, and it'll be good. Where is it? You picked it up?
I ate it.
Oh, okay. I thought you said you dropped it. I'm like, you better wash that off, put it in the microwave, and finish it off. Put some extra sauce. It was that good, huh? It was good. The ribs.
Could you drop me off that?
Whoa! No, don't spill my soda. She spilled my soda. Big head girl. Don't you think you should be home with the family on?
Anthony, why
tonight?
is my seat wet?
Something put over there.
What did you get on my seat? It's all
He
wet.
moved it. It was something over here, and then he moved it over there, and then put it out the way for you to sit down.
Something smells.
And I just spilled my soda on my freaking dress.
It smells like alcohol.
No, I just spilled it on my dress. Yeah, all over my dress, trying to.
Why is my seat all moved?
He's supposed to
I don't know.